to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright guys, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add auto caption to your video using CapCut. What is auto caption? You know, some person may not know what auto caption is all about. Auto caption is something like let me show you this. It's sort like displaying the words, okay, what you are saying, or let's say a music, let's say what the musician is saying or the singer is saying on your video. Okay, let's say for example you do a voice over on your video and you want people to be seeing what you are saying. Okay, what you are saying, let's say you say, "Hi guys, how are you doing?" You want people to see that word, "Hi guys, how are you doing?" You want them to see it on your video. That is what we call by auto caption. That words is caption. Okay, but when we say auto caption, it means that we are not the one that is going to start typing what we just said and make it to be on our videos. We are going to use CapCut because there's an amazing feature that is on CapCut, which is auto caption, which helps us to just take our voice and then write down what we just said on that video. Okay, so that is what I'm going to show you now. I click on text tab and then come down here. If I want to add text, you can just click here. Can you see? I can start typing. Let's say Funny Computer Hub. Okay, I can start click here. These are the effects. You can decide to add some text effects to it. This is text effects which you can add to your text. This is animation. You can add animation to your text, make it to be flowing depending on how you want it to be and all that. This is bobbies and all that. Okay, but I will remove that bobbies. If you want to remove it, click here. Can you see here? The same thing. If you don't want animation, you can click here to remove. Can you see none? Okay, these are all the same thing on that ad. If you don't want the ad, you can click here to remove it. Let me add it again. Okay, these are styles. If you don't want any of these styles that you added, you can click here to remove it. Okay, but let me add this style. So that is it. So I've showed you that. Okay, if you want to split your text, I've showed you what splitting is all about. You can start here to split it, but we are not going to do that. This is text effect which we have done. Okay, so let me show you this. This is text to speech. Okay, but that is not what we are going to do now. I want to show you auto caption, right? So remember, this one you are not seeing auto caption here is because I just selected this text. Okay, so let me click here, empty space, so that I will not select anything. Can you see now? It shows that I'm not selecting anything right now. So I'll click on, can you see auto caption here? I click on auto caption. It will not auto caption our video. Auto caption our video. I can select any templates that I want. Any templates that I want. Let me show you now. Hope you are seeing Pro here, right? Okay, you are seeing Pro, but obviously I'm using the Pro version. This is also how your own will look like. So if you come here and use Pro versions of this template, you will not be able to export it because you did not pay for subscription. But remember, I've told you, if you need the Pro version, just comment on the comment section. Let me know that you need the Pro version of CapCut. If you also need Pro version of InShot, let me also know on the comment section. Let's say for example I want to use this one. Okay, these ones that are Pro are the ones that Pro users can use, but these ones that you're not seeing any Pro on it, it means that you yourself that are using free version, you can use it. Okay, let me just use this one. I'll select it. I click on start. Can you see now it has started creating our captions? Alright guys, don't forget to smash the subscription button below your video, and again turn on the notification bell. Make sure that the notification bell is on all, so that all the videos that will drop on this channel you will get notification. Alright, we are still waiting for it to stop to finish creating our auto captions. Can you see it's coming up? Alright guys, I just want to let you know about this. Remember, this is CapCut. Okay, nobody is perfect. Remember, even the Bible says nobody is perfect except God. So the reason why I'm saying it is for you to know that doing your auto caption, CapCut can make mistakes. Okay, and again, if your voice is not clear, let's say for example you got a contract to do a video editing for the for the company. Okay, if the person that do the voiceover, or even if the music that you added, that you want to do auto caption of that music, if the voice that is on that music is not clear, guys, it will be very difficult for CapCut to get the whole words. But there is no problem. Even if it wasn't able to get the exact word, you can still edit it. So I'm still going to show you now how to do that. So can you see, guys? Let's just click on done. Can you see? Let me just show you. Okay, can you see, guys? So I said okay, so I said okay, so it's obvious that, okay, let me show you again. It's obvious that they don't even add it's obvious that. So we can decide to edit it, right? To edit it, I can decide to click here. This is the ones we just extracted. Remember, the one that is here, this one is the one we just added. Can you see it here? Can decide to resize it. Okay, then this one is the one we extracted. Sorry, is the one we just do auto caption. Okay, so I can decide to click on it, click on edit. Can you see batch edit? I can click on batch edit. Can you see? It will now show me all the batches. This is the first batch, second batch. So I can come here, I can say okay, so I'll space it out. Okay, so on, can you see now, if I move over to the next one, it will just display it here. Okay, the third one, if for example this one I want to make adjustment, I'll select it. Okay, you can delete and then just edit it, make adjustment. I can say okay, so on this one I can just delete and then say it's obvious that, okay, it's obvious. Okay, then next one, that we will not be able to hear what I am saying, but the road I am doing. Okay, what I am saying, because the next one is because I am using mic to record, but it says because I am. Can you see now? There's a mistake here. I have to delete it. It says because I'm using mic to record this tutorial now. Tutorial, not tutorials. Can you see? So that is how to make the adjustment and then click this part. Okay, so even if I want to change the style, let's say for example I don't like this style, I want to change it, I can decide to select this, click on this part, style. Okay, can you see? I can decide to say okay, I want to make use of this one. Let's say this one now is coming up. It will just change the style for me. I click on this part. Can you see, guys? Can you see? That is amazing, right? That is amazing, right? So that is how to add auto caption. That is how to add auto caption. So I will see. I also want to show you this. Let's say for example you are using any other application, or let's say you're also using CapCut. I want to adjust. You want to adjust. Okay, let's see, let me select any of the badge. I can decide. Can you see this thing that is here? Can you see there is tools that are around the, oh, I have deleted it. Let me click here. Okay, it has come back. Okay, I'll click here. Okay, this is just to resize. This part is to resize. Okay, and also to rotate. I can decide to make this thing to be like this. Okay, can you see? All of them will be. So if you do auto capture, know that any effect you added on one batch, it will affect all. Okay, so let me also select it and then return it. Okay, so that is it. Then the next one that is up here, the one that bears pen icon, is the edit icon. If I click on it now, it will just open up the edit icon. So if I want to edit, add something, let's say I want to add something, can you see how it's been added? Okay, let me delete it. Okay, click on here. Then the next one is to remove. Can you see this S sign that is here? If I click on it, it will just delete it. Let me click on undo here. Okay, so let me select it again. So the next one is copy. This one is copy. If I click on it, can you see now it's now double? This one is it, and then another one is on top of it. Let me just select it and then move it so that you know that there are two. Okay, Okay, so let me select this one. Let me just move it a bit for you to know. Okay, so can you see now? There is can you see there is just a mixture of waves on this? Can you see? Remember when it was like that, they are just equal. Okay, you are not able to see that this thing is double. Okay, so let me just delete it, click on delete. So guys, that is how to add auto caption to your video using CapCut. Remember, if you need the pro version, comment down that you need the pro version, and also don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and check me on the comment section if you'll be getting much value from our tutorials. All right, I'll see you in the next video.